What's up, YouTube and the world? So this is a friend of mine's car, and they were just at Mavis for an oil change. So let's see, I forget how to get to the mileage on this thing, but I know it was just done. Click. 123,335, 126,315. Wow. So guess what? There's only like 50 miles ago, right? Yeah. Well, guess what they didn't do? Top the coolant. Guess what happened to the last customer that didn't top the fucking coolant off? Blew the head gasket. This is number 2 within 30 days. Here's the coolant bottle, and it's fucking empty. Crazy, right? Spanish lube! Don't trust Quick Lubes to maintenance your car. They're not doing a thorough job.